Nothing. Hey. Nothing. Oh, you back, Kelly, oh, you back. Oh, you back, Kelly, Beke. Beke, Bukwa,
Are you through with Mazo Kechuku's work?
Yes, Mama. But they've not paid me. Eh? I don't understand these people, Mama. Why do they like owing little money to laborers after so much work? Eh? That's how I call my uncle.
Hey. Nabigo, which will be you had this upon man. It will be well. Oh?
For how long?
Hey! What organism? What is it?
Talk! What is it?
Notice! Nabiko, go inside and take your bath.
Hey! Muka! Muka! Unele. Brother? Unele na. Unele na. Seriously. Again?
Miss Muka, she beat me mercilessly. What am I saying, Dikeh?
Muka beat you mercilessly.
Go.
Can you hang on? Wait. Was she high? Morgan. I want him. I want him to let that girl go. But you wouldn't listen. You mean to say that Moka beat you this way? It go stupid though. It go the worst key. It go the stupid. That now what I can want intimidating Kakapan. But that one aside. So she had the effrontery to beat you to the extent of Ibaikanuku. Ha! Moka! I am going to show Moka what fire does with Ntioke. I am going to show her what fire does with Ntioke. Let us go there now. Let us go.
You need machete.
I don't need machete. My hand enough. My hand is machete enough. Somebody will beat up my brother. For what reason? Come outside here. Yes. Come out. Because I'm going to kill somebody here. I don't know why. Somebody will have the effrontery. Stop. Beat my brother. For what? Huh? Come out. Come out. Huh? What is it? Where's your picking? Where's your daughter? I am going to kill her now. In fact, I'm going to kill your daughter. What is going on? Mama, I am not going to wait to Obi. Obi, I don't know. It will not come down. Come on, Obi. Adopted daughter or son. Shut up. Shut up your mouth. Because I am going to kill your sister. In your presence. I will kill her. Go and look for a comfortable place. Dig her grave. I will kill her.
Hey! Who are those make up proof? Are you crazy? You're shouting for my man and my chamber. You the crazy?
Who are crazy? Campus. You're speaking nonsense. So by the time I finish with you, I'll kill you. In fact, you look yourself in the mirror.
Ah! You crazy, no? I pity you. You're not cooking here now. I'm pity you wanting to pity back.
I'm not cooking bullshit.
I fight him. You know ya?
Mama, talk to her.
Yeah.
Then I know how to get
Watch out.
Past tense or present. Present, I will get past tense. You beat me, but I beat her. Let me tell you, I'll do with you here now. In presence of your mother, I'll kill you.
Okay, you're talking to my man and my chamber. You know that your head is beating. You must cross all line now. Crossing this lining. You see what I'm doing you here?
Let me tell you. Let me tell you. This is. I've crossed the line longer than this one. I've crossed the line longer than third man line. All the whole. This one is is a my line. I'll cross it. Don't cross it. I have crossed a line longer than this one. So this one is my line. Hey, don't cross.
Take it easy on him.
I'll get it. Hold that! Hold that!
I tell you here.
No, it's going to get something.
When you get open,
I know my brother. He will finish you today.
I tell you.
open it.
I tell you. No, I'm not going. I'm not going. Sit down. He's insulting me, my one name is insulting my mom. You crazy?
No problem. They've gone.
I don't want to kill you.
You want to kill them?
No, they're insulting you.
Forgive them. For my sake. And for Mama's sake. You know, go. Just calm down.
I'm killing him.
Calm down. Let's go.
I'm killing him.
No, you won't kill him. You won't kill anybody. Let's go killing him. Here. Mama.
He's sleeping. How did you get here?
After making all this noise there, running up and down like you want to go and bring something to fight with.
I know how fast we ran to get to this place. He's already sleeping. Oh, what no John Beva? Oh, John no cable. Oh, no kid, watch. You have killed Wonka for us. If we now we go die Wonka. I will kill you out. We get you begin to talk. Idiot.
More Johnny, go Jack Bunko. See, let me tell you, don't be stupid. Next time, fight a battle. Jack again or wrong. If begin as a karaoke kote, go in as a or carry Ukuturuku career.
Moka, you are a young woman. Eh? You shouldn't be fighting men around the village. Biko, Mom, I want you to change Biko.
Mama, stop begging me. Stop begging me. The embarrassing in this village is too much. Eh? God begs them to stop barrelaling me. Makana hate them, pare.
Oh, and Moka, you think fighting them is the best way for them to stop barrelaling you? Eh? Women shouldn't be fighting men. You don't know that?
Eshoku. Makana women, men should bury me. Mama, go tell her to stop barrelaling me. I hate them, Mumpare. Squeeze me.
Hey, curiosity. Curiosity, because. I want to change my name, so you're not going to be oh, Chineke nna biko na-ekwe m
nwoke nwanne m Ogini be wagi. Hey. Oyiba kali oyiba. Oyiba kali beke. Beke bukwa bara.
I'm about to go to the bush now to go and do this thing, but I want to feed well before going. Go and get something for me to eat. Thank you.
There's no food in this house now.
Were you talking to me? There's no food in this house. No. Did you say there's no food in this house?
How many times will I say the same thing? There's no food here. There's no food in this house.
So, I went out yesterday and fought. After fighting, expecting that by the time I return to this house, this morning as I'm about to go into the bush, I will see something to eat. You're telling me there is no food in this house?
Sometimes this doesn't work the way you plan it.
It's all right. Go and get me my climbing rope. Let me, enter the bush this morning. Thank you. Come, did you use this knife to dig hole? Why is this knife every sand? Let me tell you, let be the first and the last time. Look at Mama Chacha. Be very fast, too.
Because Abianiju, say you do you need to do. I go killing you, Uju. I killing you, oh, Uju. I love you, oh, Uju. I like you, oh, Uju. Oh. I love you, 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 I love you. I killing you, killing you, killing you, killing you, killing you, killing you, killing you. Oh, killing me, oh, Uju, I kill. Wait. I kill you. You say you kill me? Hey, I crazy. I'm not killing you. I versing for those people that use using your name means to sing it without paying suju. Okay? Ha! Baby, yo! Wait. Hey. What I heard, is it true? What you hearing? What happened between you and Unere? 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 Unere now? Unere no shaming. Unere, you no shaming. Unere coming to my one house to fighting me, to challenging me for fightings. Trusting in your friend in na. I carry Unere up, I throw him to Grandin. Hey, Uka, you will not kill me with your unending troubles. Why would you have to go and fight a man? It's your bogi. Hey, Nem, Kopo, Okwa. You seeing anybody giving me troubles, I give the person doubles. Kopo. Hey, no problem. Let's go and finish our fun work before you're looking for troubles and doubles. Akuya.
I appreciate your dance step.
I'm singing it again. Uju, I killing you. Uju, I love you. Uju, I love you. I love you. I love you. I love you. I love you.
Mazi okay. Mazi o. Mazi ono kwayo. Oh Mazi. Mazi, I came to tell you that your fruits, your palm fruits are ripe. So I want to go and cut them. So
Okay, I was about to even come to you to inform you about them. But now that you are here, you can go ahead, cut all of them, when you finish, we'll check.
Okay, Mazi Motoshi anu na. We are na here na by pay before service. So if you pay me, I'll go and cut them.
Huh?
I pay before service. So you pay me, I cut them.
How would I pay you when you don't know how many of them that you cut? Is it not when you finish? We check as we do.
Oh.
When you finish, I pay you.
Mazi, you talk as if you don't know me as a professional Obunku.
We know you. We know you.
Palm cutter. Can I do this kind of a question? You asking me, Mazi, let me tell you. Each time I go to cut somebody's palm, at the same time, I look over and see other people's palm and know how many is ripe. When I was cutting Mama Nkechi's palm, I looked across. Oh, Mazi, are you trying to tell me that it is only your own palm that is on that bush part? Other people's palm are there. So as I was cutting Mama Nkechi's own, I looked over. I saw your own. I counted everything. I know how many they are. So I decided to come and tell you so that you will know.
Unere, when did this pay before service start? We've been doing business together. You've been cutting this for me. Why?
Hey, Mazi, Yana Rosina is pay before service. So, it's all right. Mazi, if you're not ready to pay, you want to start asking questions, I will leave you. Whenever you're ready, just come and call me.
Unere, come. It hasn't got into that. Okay, go. That's it.
As this thing you gave me here is 1,000 naira. 1,000 naira. 1,000 naira is just for 5 palm, because by rights, Igbo funku with 200 naira. So this 1,000 naira is for 5 palms. And from what I counted, your ripe palm there is 12. So you've given me money for 5. Remaining here is 6 that is remaining. So if you back out to 200 naira, back here times 6, you want 200 times. That is equal to 200 in the shin. That is 1,200 naira. That is what you're going to balance me. If I go and cut them and come, you pay me 1,200.
First of all, go cut them. I can see that mathematics is your problem. Don't worry. I may even buy you a calculator to be checking this.
Chikobi, you know mathematics. You buy me calculator. Hi. So as I was, so as I was passing, I said no, so I had to bring it down. You understand? So even when I was on my way, so that one was too much. You understand? I brought it down.
Thank you very much. Oh, thank you.
Okay, onto onye ono ori.
Onye ọrụ nwere n'ụbọna. Imere n'ofuma. Ngwa.
Atọrọ ko manya nka. Whenever nyere me yen subano.
Ahize gị. Onye nwa gozie gị.
Chukwu gozie gị. Thank you very much. God bless you. Don't mention. Thank you.
Oh, unere. Biko ewekwana iwe.
But you are 1,000 not the man.
Mba, about maka 1,000. About the other day, what my daughter did to you. Biko, don't be angry.
Oh, okay. It's okay.
Mana Une, you shouldn't be a fighting woman now. You know it doesn't write good about you.
Yeah. All because of water. Because I reason here, say if I continue this fight, I might kill somebody. So I'm gonna have Ben Johnson. Also Sondo. Come on, say that was what So I took off because I am not chair or bottom niche. Continue fighter. So if I had continued the fight, I would have killed somebody. But I said no. Let me move. So I'm gonna have Ben Johnson. Also antelope also. Wow, nah.
Oh, thank you. Oh, you made a fumano.
Oh, God bless. Okay.
I will tell Moka to go and carry the issue.
Okay.
Thank you.
This one everywhere is quiet. Where is this ball? Okay then. Okay then. Okay then. Oh. I'm from. I'm still there. Let me cook something. Very, very important. I'm prepared. Agro. I'm telling you, mother gari change on a gari. Cook it very well, make sure it is sweet. I
will prepare it very fast.
Very fast. Look, let me tell you. Make sure you put pepper moderately, because the last time you added enough pepper, I shit. In fact, I almost relocated to the toilet. Not I relocated to the toilet. I shit until almost going to shit out my placenta. So be very careful with the way you put pepper. You understand?
What of salt? Moderate. It will come now.
Let me go and soak this thing. I need to soak this thing in water. Yeah, I'm a minute enough. I hope you fetch the water. Still 1 minute.
We done. We'll soon going.
Listen, point of correction. There is nothing like we done. We are almost done. Itiboribo.
What over?
I'm tired of you. I'm really tired of you.
You seeing that in Mebere's monies? Hey, I can't waiting for her to giving us the monies.
Who doesn't need it? I need it myself. I need to change my slippers and buy some underwear. So I cannot wait for that money.
I need it for Chima one nemo.
You and your Chima.
Let's go. Go easy.
We are done with the farm work.
Muka, so fast?
Yes, we are done with the farm work. So it's remaining our money.
Muka, do you know there is no money now? You will go and come back in 2 days time and I will pay you.
Awesome. What did you just say? Hey! We spent our whole day working at your farm. Wait, you forgot that you do not have money when you sent us to go and work for you. Now you're telling us that you do not have money. Just go inside, get our money now.
Uju my why? Forgetting SARS. I know you see that she's playing. So maybe goes inside and brought in our monies.
There is no money. Go back and come back in 2 days time. What
are you talking about? I don't want to hear it though. This money that you want to pay us now is my last hope. I need it to do something very, very important. What is this now?
Uju you know me and Biko. You know beginning. Also 2 days ago for us. You are just
annoying us. You are annoying me. Go and bring our money. Which one is that you don't have money?
Mebere! Who is your mama? You know he does not have the same money. You sending me and my Uju, my friendship, to go work as for you. Only more than what you can say. Some people
are wicked. After doing such a tedious work at your farm, you're telling us you don't have money.
Would you drop in it?
We were telling you about
when you having some money, bringing it to my mama. Leave him this thing. Go back. Go back.
Where did you get wheelbarrow from?
Is it not Mabry? He thinking he having no monies. He's sending me and Uju to go work us for her. We finishing, he telling us stories. And I come to Kako, I collecting the wheelbarrows for my colantrams.
Mama, can you imagine that? After working for her, she has refused to pay us.
Give me back my barrow.
Mama, thank God you are here. I told Nka to come back after 2 days and collect her mom, but she refused and carried my barrow.
Okay. Mama, this is pure wickedness. How can you contract us to work on that land? Now you have refused to pay us our money. You have to pay us. We are not your slaves. Yeah. We are not.
She said she will pay in 2 days time.
Oh. Miss, no, I no greens. She thinking I am team and one them that the workers they not giving him monies. He leaves them. No, she gives me our monies. Ha!
Ujungwa.
I didn't say I will not pay. I said you should come back after 2 days.
Talk to her. Talk to her. She understands you better. Oh,
Mama, it's very difficult. She has to bring the money. We have needs. We need money. I will pay. 2 days,
She says she will pay in 2 days time.
Mama, no mind this how. No mind this side. This is my colantrams.
Muka.
Oh, yeah. Give her I'm not green. I'm not green.
She says she will pay in 2 days time.
You should not give us our monies. You paying us, so you go paying us, ma.
I don't like this. This is very, very unfair. I'm going, Nka.
Nka, go to the farm and carry the palm frost that Uneri cut for. I've paid him. Biko, that's it.
Nka, you have blue basket. You have blue. I come in.
English not to the blue. English now wahala.
I don't like what I hate.
Oh, you go.
My story is different. I don't like what I hate.
Oh,
My
you
life is different. I don't like what I hate. My story is different. I don't like what I hate. My life is different.
Unere! 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 Unere!
Ogin! Africa! Ogin, why will you be shouting my name like that?
Unere!
Africa!
What did you cut the 5 fruits I paid you for?
Is that a question or you're putting it to me? Or why did you why haven't you cut the... Let me tell you. You gave me money to cut your palm. And you have to relax yourself until when I find time, I will go and cut your palm. Don't come here and be making noise.
Unere! But they demanded money before service.
Of course.
I paid you.
Of course. If you want to contest election, won't you print your poster? Won't you post it for people to know that you are contesting election? You gave me money to cut your palm, which means you came to register under my company. To register to cut your palm. Relax and wait until I go and cut your palm. Let me tell you. If you venture, if you venture talk about this thing again, I will eat your money and eat your palm and you will not do anything.
Une, do you know who you are talking to?
I'm a Dikeh. Yes! I know who I'm talking to. I'm talking to Mazi Okeke, or are you not Mazi Okeke? Have you baptized and changed your name into something else? Then I wear Papa's cap, and you wear Papa's cap does not mean that we'll have the same strength too. So why don't we go? Respect yourself.
I will come back to you.
As a ghost to us.
I will come back.
Look at you.
I will come back.
I have not even beaten you. You're crying. I come here begin so you will come back for me. You will come back to do what? You're already a human being now. I am sure you're going to come back as a ghost.
Don't worry.
Are you going to reincarnate?
No, don't worry. When I come back, you will see me in action.
When you come, I will see you. Let me tell you. By the time you will come, I'll be sleeping, so I won't have eyes to see you. Yes. My father let me tell you, you're supposed to go and print your obituary poster. You're supposed to go and print your obituary poster because you're already gone. If you're a goner, you're that. Let go, walk around. Get no rejuafo. Come guys, we can. Okay, I got our. She boss be here na be. Chineke bomb mago. Chineke ogoku. Womoge mba, womoge the innocent. Wogoku, wopia gon. What nonsense?
Stop there! Stop it there! Stop it there! Stop Chineke Wogoku! Stop it there! Stop it there! Come and stay here! Come and stay here! Come and stay here! Stay here!
I want to
stay here!
Okay.
These games and these games, whose one is who?
I don't know who came first. I don't know who came first and who came. I don't want any game. Yes.
You liars to my mama and you gotten pastors. You crazy?
Nurse quoi? Moi, nurse. No dey ayazi. And when nurse mpu.
Following me. Following me. Why don't you my mama pastors? Following me.
Take a bomb motor. Take a bomb motor. Aye. Okay, bomb motor.
The one who go, but me kwa kosheme. Me bagi woka wanemu. Ogini kiwegi.
Dalu, you'll be the one to sell these maize on Uncle Market Day.
Makagon.
You're going to get Makagon. You know I have a farm to weed on. Or you want to come and farm? Let me sell it. I prefer that too. No, you will farm there.
No.
You will farm.
I will sell now.
Look at you. Oh, you buka woke man and bob and Ghana. Ghana Jugaro. And I put up with it. Adukuran. Adukuran only Yaguto.
Uju, my friendships. Uju.
Woka. Hey. Ogeni.
Hey, Woka is going soon to university.
Woka, please. I'm sorry. No, don't be offended. You're going to where?
University? No.
Which university are you going to? But wait. Have you written JAMB?
That's what I wanted to tell you now. My mom and Chima one name, they bossing me. Hey, jump by formings.
Hey. Jamba forming. Okay, I'm sorry. No, please, don't feel bad. That's very nice.
Hey, thank you, senor. Thank you.
Wait. Nwoka, you go to Uli.
Yeah, Dalo.
Writing jam, you that I know. You won't even score up to 3 marks.
Dalo does not insult you, Nwoka. You know how I used to beat it in you and Kene. Does not provoke me here now.
No fighting.
Dalo, please don't insult my friend. Please, don't insult my friend.
Does not insulting me. I am intelligent, yo. I know using bookings. Naz, asking me any questions you want to ask me, and I answering you sharply.
Let me tell you, they want to waste money on your head. They better take you back to nursery 1 or better, okay, primary 1.
Hey.
Asking me.
Okay, you want me to ask you a question? It's you that sent me to ask you.
Asking me.
Nwoka, you are the one that asked me to ask you.
Asking me.
Okay. Okay, Nwoka. You want to write jam, Abi? Okay. What is the full meaning of jam that you want to write?
You will go my menses, so you will go. I know you seen it now. I I know you've seen it.
Answer it. Answer it.
It's not hard enough. It's not questioning they used to asking in all these people that goes in for jamba. I know you've seen it.
Amuka, just tell him. I know. I'm very, very sure you know the answer. Just tell him so he can stop this insult.
Answer it.
I know you've seen it.
Nwoka, answer it. She don't know anything.
Amuka, where the answer now?
I know you've seen it. I has forgotten it though.
You've forgotten the answer.
Oh, yeah. Her grandma is funny. She behaves funny. She come make me be like say I dey funny. Oh, now her lifestyle.
Hey, sorry. Agram go to see my anyone Uju.
Hey. Okay. I brought something for you.
Eh?
These are past JAM question and answers. I want you to study them. Okay? Let's see if you will write JAM this year or we'll have to wait for next year.
No! I am Kappa strong. Eh? It's not me now. It's not your sisters.
You are intelligent.
Wow, media! You gotten it! One day, me my is not gonna punish my brain.
Okay, no problem. Okay, so you mean you are capable?
I am capable.
No, it's capable.
Campambu.
Okay, no problem.
I am Kappa strong.
Just take. Start studying them. Huh?
Okay.
Don't forget. If you get this correctly, if you study it well, then I know you're ready to write JAM this year.
Bam, Ejimia.
Okay.
Ejimia.
Her life, but English not to the blue. English now wahala.
Hey God! Imagine this girl. What is it called? Nwoka. Nwoka came to our house yesterday. He was telling me and my sister that our brother and our mom wants to send her to university. If you see the way she was even calling the university.
Which Nwoka are you talking about?
The Nwoka that you know now. The Nwoka. Imagine.
Nwoka going to university. Let's go. What concerns vulture with Babin Salute? Inarwa Angulu the Baba.
Hi. But let's not rule her out. She might be intelligent more than some people we know. But
she can be more intelligent than you. Because I don't even know the reason you will open your mouth and be talking about Nwoka and intelligence. So if she's more intelligent than you, there's no problem. Because I know when Mama gave birth to you, I was seeing, I already know that you don't have it. You understand? What is Nwoka? University. University, and so what? See, let me tell you. You see that Nwoka? You see Nwoka? If Nwoka ever passes her exams, Nwoka, if she sits for JAMB and pass, in fact.
Swear something serious. Yeah, you know about me.
Call me, don't call me Nama. Call me kangaroo, don't call me kangaroo.
Swear now, do something big.
If Nwoka passes her exams, Kambago, let me bend. See, can let me tell you, you're supposed to go inside and look for something for me to eat, because food is important. Leave all this Nwoka go to university, or Nwoka don't go to university, or Nwoka write JAM, or Nwoka go and prepare food for me to eat. Or every time mad pataya instead of eating, and I can Nwoka. I'm going to meet that woman that I'm supposed to cut her palm. Yeah, I want to go and negotiate with the woman. Before I go and come back, make sure the food is ready. Let me eat. You water.
Brother, come back with something, though.
This your brother keeps reminding me of the difference between onions and the yabas.
And the yabas?
What is it?
I gambling because I don't understand mention the writing. They using left hand. Why you not buying the one they using writing handing?
Left hand?
So you need to know.
Walker, what? It's not left hand. You turn the paper upside down. Why? Upside, you turned it upside. Oh, look at it now. You see? It's now upright.
Hey, Chimo.
Eh?
Ndocha
anything. You turned the book upside down and you couldn't read. Can you see it now?
Sorry, yes?
Good. I hope you're learning.
Fasting.
Fast. Okay. You will not kill us in this house. Any problem, just call me, eh?
Walker, I hope you've been studying. How is it going?
Forgotten that one, so I tired in.
What do you mean by forgotten it, though? Why are you tired?
For nights, I sleepings. Tired, you know.
You don't have to be tired.
I don't understand it.
No, you don't have to understand anything. Listen, you have to read very well to pass your JAMB. Otherwise, you will not go to the university. See what you will do. Dip your 2 legs into a very cold bucket of water. It will prevent you from sleeping at night. For relay, for relay. Really? And I will answer you. What over? Shut up your mouth, I'm telling you something. Is that how you learn? You have to listen very careful to learn. You want to go? Just try it. You will confirm what I just said. Oh?
Okay, it's okay.
Wonka, you should also try to be sleeping in the afternoon. I mean, taking your siesta.
You sure, Rin?
Now, when you sleep in the afternoon, it will help you to read and understand perfectly.
Hey, and this is here we day now.
Yes.
Hey, I goes in homes and I sleep in my Sylvester. Excuse me. Bye. Excuse me, Sylvester.
Your what?
And then, where do you know this girl from?
I should be asking you that question. Why did God make her our sister? She's our sister. We're not running away from her.
So go and take your siesta. She says Sylvester.
Are you okay? Yes. Why are you sleeping?
I face.
What you were... I noticed you find it difficult to stay awake at night while reading.
Yes.
Okay. Okay, you know what? You should eat bitter cola or cola nut. That will help you stay awake.
Akilu.
Yes, akilu, bitter cola.
Huh? Okay. Goes inside. Let me sleep in my Sylvester.
It's not it's siesta. Sylvester is someone's name.
What over?
Sorry.
Present, past tense, past tense, present. bebe. No fun no hey, past participle on a fiore. No fun no go. If you see Uka, you go know say you don't jump grandma we get terror. Jay, Uka chikwa you bet him madife. When Uka jam you with the grandma ina ona no kwa no chacha ocharima asikwa Uka kuku hot to dog. Oje bulun kita kobuo. Hey, now which kind person be this you? Walk one name, again be wagging. Walk one name, again be wagging. Hey, nothing. Oh, you back, carry you back. Oh, you back, carry a becker, nothing. Present, bull past tense. No fun, no go. Past tense, bull present. No fun, no go. A second city. Are you crazy? Let me sleep in my Sylvester.
I don't think she can make it. Uka sleeps in the name of reading.
Hey.
And even when she's awake, she doesn't understand anything she's reading. I don't know. She can't do this.
Mama, I is not going to school again. Eh? I is not taking the jambal again. I am tired.
Walker. It's okay. Oh, I am not going Igbo. Only Chima will be the one to go to university.
Bettering, no. Eh? Bettering. After all, Chima one name is a menses. I am a woman's sis. Tomorrow you are going to my husband's houses. I'm marrying. I am going off. Eh? Chima name.
Ezo. Chima, ain't going
Let me go and brought in the books for you. You go need dinner more.
Thank God we have not bought the phone.
Exactly.
How do I came?
Mama, I think she's worse than the way she was before she started studying for this job. I don't know if I've done more harm than good.
Okay, why did you call me out?
Uju, I'm not going to school again, no. It's too hardens.
What did you just say?
It's not easy, no. It's too hardens. I'm not going again.
Look at you. You thought it was easy. You wanted to go to university. You had to go to university. So what do you want to do now?
Chima goes into schoolings, Wonka goes in at homings.
Is it not better? That's the best decision you have taken in your whole life. Your brother is more intelligent than you are.
Bam.
Let him go to school while you stay at home.
Bam. You know in the one for 90s, hey, I choppings ofefere kola nothings. Puttings my leggings for one bucketings of watering. Still I sleepings. Living me.
Why will I leave you? Are you not funny?
You know in the one that Penny see me passing? Hey, in the afternoons, I sleeping in my Sylvester. I still sleeping.
After the Sylvester, you still slept.
Why are you laughing?
Why won't I laugh?
Why are you laughing?
Don't worry.
And then you will not kill me.
I wanted tease you. That was why I said that. That reminds me.
What is it?
Nwoka, my friend, has dropped her schooling idea. She said that reading is very difficult for her. She doesn't want to go to school again.
Hi. I know it. I knew it will come to this. The Nwoka that I know, go to school. See, if that family wants anybody to go to school, it should be Chima. Because Chima is more intelligent and focused.
Exactly.
Nwoka. I no child dog on
You've not even heard anything yet. Nwoka says she ate all the kola nuts in this village. Dipped her 2 legs into all the water in their compound. Observed all the Sylvester. Yet, she slept more than usual. What kind of human being is that? I am tired of her.
Hey, Nwoka.
I am tired of her.
Nwoka.
Tofia.
It's only you and that Nwoka. Don't cross your feet. I told her that there is a big difference between onions and the yabas. Onions is that one that when you cut once, you start crying. That's onions. Yabas. You know that one that when you pass the first chamber, second, the fourth one, you see Dikeh. Yabas.
What were you telling me about that?
My sister, she told me that she was almost swimming in the name of being awake. But yet, she slept all through the night.
Are you serious?
Go on, Molanya.
That girl is the funniest girl I've ever seen.
What do you expect? What do you expect? My sister told me that the Nwoka you know grew up in the village. Not just the village, in the timid village with the grandfather. So what do you expect?
No wonder. I was almost trying to ask you where this timidity of us came from. If that's the case now, she's even trying. All this English she's speaking, she's trying. Okay,
Why would she not try? Well, since her English is better than your own, why would she not try?
Brother, I am not complaining. And we never
Akwụkwọ, I greet.
Unere, you starting sin against? You starting sin against? Lefting me, oh, lefting me.
Hey, you are starting sin again, oh, lefting me, oh. Who told you? In fact, let me tell you, I have not started, oh. I am not doing anything. It's just that I heard that you ate kola nut, big, a very giant kola nut. In fact, as it is, from what I heard, what is remaining is for you to go and live under a tree, kola nut tree. Make it your abode. That is what is remaining for you. So, I heard that you soak yourself inside the water in the name of reading. In the end,
Unere, you insulting me in this village, I know you not insulting me. You know you see Nwoka. You know you see what I doesn't. I bet you what think I bet span in this village now.
I am a stupidity man. Look at you. Let me tell you, you get me to pan. You don't have sense, because if you have sense, common sense should have told you that we don't have tinker in this village. Tinker neighboring village gone. So where do you learn tinker? You understand? It's just that I'm trying to, not like I'm mocking you. It's not like I'm laughing. But I'm just trying to express my happiness that you did not drown. You didn't die in the name of
Unere, enough. Why are you a parrot? Why do you talk too much? Papa. Every time you will not let my friend rest. What has she done to you? Leave her alone now. What is it? Is it by force to love someone? She does not love you and she will never love you. Inanuya.
Let me tell you.
But wait, with the way two of you always quarrel, are you sure you're not planning to marry yourselves?
God forbidden! God forbidden saying I'm managing this stupidity man. I'm not going to manage you.
Shut up. Who go managing you? me marrying you? Am I stupid? Come, what is your problem?
You're stupid. You're a shameless man. Yes. You're very, very stupid.
If she's your friend, are you not ashamed of yourself?
Why should I be ashamed of
that your friend cannot speak common of Igbo?
What has that got to do with me? It's not my problem. And listen, don't talk to me anyhow. I am hot-tempered.
Well?
Can you speak well? Can you speak well?
I will roll like
Are you not even ashamed of yourself? Yes. All this while you've been carrying this one. Are you not ashamed of yourself?
I'm shameless. Yes. You're shameful. You are shameful. I'm shameless. Yes. Let me tell you. Let me tell you. Katoya different. So if you can like different, respect yourself. Go and do something better with your life. And stop all this now. You not marriages me. You not marriages me.
I piss you.
You go pissing me. I go shitting you. I go shitting you.
Old fooling mans. Old foolings.
More hopefully.
Old fooling.
Baga.
It's nonsense man.
Gani. Maybe not you. Gani.
Thank you, your God is that I did in a good mood. She was doing you.
My darling, don't mind.
Don't touch me. Don't touch me, Uju. How come seeing what I told it to you?
What do you mean by how come seeing Unere? I did not tell anybody now. The only person I told was my brother. Who else?
You did that thing, Dalo. So you and Dalu is practicing my name in this village,
Calm down.
I'm not gonna forgive you seeing you. I'm not gonna forgive you seeing you. I'm not gonna forgive you seeing you.
Yeah, even yeah. Okay, yeah, man. You don't go forgive you seeing me. Yeah, no one door. Yeah.
Hey, this also, no second after sorry.
Admission into
university. I talking is that Chima one name is brilliance and intelligence like Moa. Talking is. Hey, Chima Jacob.
Hey, Moka. Mama, the only issue now is how do I pay my school fees and other school levies?
Chima, with God all things are possible. God will make a way.
Yeah. Chima one name, I saving Akawo. I savings Akawo. I from Akawo I giving you money. Your registration.
You have savings?
You? Is it savings? I having it.
Mama, it's raining. Let's go inside. Let's
go. Hey!
Why is everybody looking so sad? I'm not going away forever. Huh? Mama, I will always come back home to see you anytime I have the chance. Mama?
Please, take good care of yourself, Biko.
I will.
Always remember where you came from, Biko. Nkekaibi, Chima Biko. I joined one of these bad gangs in school.
Bad gangs? Mama, I won't. I'm not stupid. I know why I'm going there. And I'll make you proud. Moka, take very good care of Mama. Please, be a good girl. Don't give Mama heart attack. Moka, please, stop beating up all the boys in this village. Hey, Mama, you kill someone someday and put this family in big trouble. Biko, be a good girl.
I hear Riz.
Okay. Hey, Mama. Mama, I'll miss your cooking. You know, this time I'll only be eating noodles. And beans and mano.
Bia, before I forget what I wanted to say. Wait. Why did you tell Unere about Nwoka's funny reading habits? Why? You know it's very wrong of you. It's not good at all.
Hey, Adanne, you didn't tell him anything, no. I only told my friend Ekene.
That explains it now. That explains how he got to know about it. You told Ekene, and Ekene told Unere. He saw us the other day on the way and started making joke out of it. The girl is very, very angry with me. That's not good now. It's not good.
Then I'm sorry, sorry.
Why are you telling me you are sorry? The truth is that I will never tell you anything again. I will never.
I've said I'm sorry now.
What do you want me to do now? Abomo. Before God. Oh, Richard Kite Bata.
Osukwa koshi asu ogini biwegi jibi paradadam woka wanne mu ogini biwegi woka wanne mu ogini biwegi hey oyiba kali beke bukwa gbara presentable past tense no past tense bulu present no future tense jarebe no hey past participle on a fiore no
I'm not going. There's no problem. I will start tomorrow morning.
No problem. Just do the work well and come and play your money, yeah?
Trust me now. I will do it well. You know I need the money for my son's school fees.
That won't be a problem. Just finish the job and I will pay you.
Bye.
Bye. Bye.
Presentable past tense, no past tense, bulu present, no future tense, jarebe, no hey, past participle on a fiore,
Nwoka, please, enough. You're working too much. You've been working since morning. You have to take it easy, before you break down.
Would you my friendships, You know, it's my conditioning and responsibilities to take my one name school fees payings. So I need him to working hard to paying his school fees.
I understand all that. And I feel for you as my friend. But at the same time, you will not kill yourself. You won't. Thank God that you've paid for the first year. It's remaining 3 more years. But you have to take it easy. Oh my Igbo, you've been working here since morning, no food, no water. It's only yoya.
You see why I needing to work in harding for next 3 years in. In remaining 3 years in, I needing to work in harding.
I know, my friend, but I don't want you to fall sick. Okay, see what happens, You have to go now. Let's go to the junction. That woman that sells things there. Let's buy the puff and eat. Then drink pure water.
Annoyance. Just squeeze me small. I finishing it. Oh?
Don't tell me to squeeze you. You've not eaten. You come back, then you finish up with your farm work.
I must finish them.
Why not? You have to finish it to receive your pay now. Kaiga, we'll come back, okay?
It's good.
Nothing.
Take this cup of wine and show that man who loves you that have asked for your hands in marriage. They will be husband. Okay. I'm going here. Please. Oh, yeah. Here we go.
What have you done?